Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We're here at the Holiday Inn Express, Richmond, Midtown, not downtown, Midtown, 2000 Staples Mill Road, where this is located. It's close to downtown now. Free parking. This place used to be old Holiday Inn back in the day, but they renovated to a Holiday Inn Express, and they have a nice little chill area with a sectional couch and beanbags and pool tables downstairs. They had a free hot Holiday Inn breakfast there, so take a look at this room. 2 beds. Let's do it. Alright. Got a nice little fridge. Microwave, all's clean. Little closet area. Safe. Iron board. Like, security features are good. There's a map. Most people think. So here's the bathroom, not occupied this time. We got the vent fan right here. It's always blowing stuff out, a little dusty, but it's there. Always running, so if you don't like noise at night, it is pretty loud, but it doesn't bother me personally. Ourselves, bath amenities. Got a mirror, toilet, American Standard, some towels, a blow dryer, nice little vanity. Pretty basic bathroom. Here's what I will say about this room though. Ooh, that's actually kind of loose, just realized that. Got stuff like that. Stuff like that. Stuff like that. From wearing a little bit of wear and tear a little bit. Here's another pane in the bathroom. Alright. So, got our 2 beds. Standard for little furniture thing right here. We got a mirror. Right there. Standard furniture for Holiday Inn Express. Some backlighting there. Alright, so I'll show you the main issue of this room here in a second. Room is clean. Got that backlighting here. Different kind of headboards. You don't really match that furniture there in the Holiday Inn Expresses, but anyway, still nice, good condition. There you have it. Got a mark on the wall right there. So here's a plan. See the stains on the carpet? Hell yeah. Stains on the carpet. We have 2 rooms here. Grandparents were staying in this room, but they decided to leave a day early, so. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Alright. Yeah, this carpet's seen better days. Yeah. This carpet's quite gross. This is definitely not up to IHG or standards or Holiday Inn Express standards. It's probably the grungiest rundown room I had that's updated. Staying in a Holiday Inn Express. So, yeah, they could at least get a furniture marker, get that. They need to replace the carpet or get a carpet shampooer up in here. But anyway, we got a nice TV, probably like a 55 inch. Lamp, USBs, little desk area. There's still a lot of stains on the carpet. There's our AC, it's great. Controls, they were on points in for that. Got the shades. Pulls up, nice for blackout. Here's a parking lot, little shopping center area there. Yeah, it's just a view for the parking lot. They do have an outdoor pool, no indoor pool. Table, chair, little lamp here. Beds are nice. These are not the ISG linens. These are like the Marriott linens, but the other room I had last night. Like my grandparents were sleeping here last night, but they left. But the other room I was sleeping in last night had the ISG linens. This one doesn't, but yeah, the main issue is stains on the carpet. But yeah, they need to do something about this. The other room here had stains on the carpet too. So, other than stains on the carpet and the bathroom door being nicked up, it's not too terrible. It's clean. I use my employee rate, $55 after tax. No, that's no brainer for this room. Regular rate. The stains, too many stains on the carpet. If you had a good deal, I would recommend this one. If you want a clean place to stay, but the stains on the carpet really brings down the score here for this room for me. And it's just not unacceptable for a Holiday Inn Express. So, and this place was renovated it's only a couple years old, like 2018 too. This is probably the grungiest Holiday Inn Express I ever stayed at. But the public areas are nice though. It's just this carpet. It's really the issue. Other than the carpet, if you don't mind stains on the carpet. If you don't mind stains on the carpet, it's gonna be your place. Other than that, it's clean. It's just carpet. So, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.